और क्या बोलती पब्लिक? कैसे सब लोग? सब बढ़िया है कि नहीं? एक्चुअली तुम लोग ने यूट्यूब पे देखा रहेगा कि लाइफ इन अ डे बनाने के लिए बोल रहा था यूट्यूब कि 25 जुलाई को बाहर निकलो और शूट योर डे। तो मैंने वैसे ही कुछ बनाया हूँ। और मतलब मैंने पढ़ा कि क्या रिक्वायरमेंट्स है क्या नहीं करके, और उस हिसाब से कुछ बनाया हूँ। और उन लोग को तो मैंने भेज दिया, लेकिन अभी मेरे को मालूम नहीं कि उन लोग मेरा यूज़ लेंगे कि नहीं लेंगे, क्योंकि वो एकदम मतलब ज़रा प्रोफेशनल नहीं है, एकदम बोले तो बिगनर लेवल जैसा है। और मुझे एग्जैक्टली मालूम नहीं कि मतलब मैंने सेम बनाया हूँ जो उन लोगों को चाहिए या सो स्टिल मैंने आप लोगों के लिए मतलब जो बनाया हूँ, सोचा कि यूट्यूब पे डाल देता हूँ लोगों को देखने के लिए। तो अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो लाइक कर देना। अगर नहीं भी लगे या कुछ है तो मेरे को कमेंट कर दीजिए, या मेरे को पर्सनल मैसेज करके भी बता सकते हो आप। सो फिर देखते वीडियो। Hi everyone. Today is 25th July and 25th July 2020, and the time is almost 5:48, and it's time to start my day. And the best way to start your day is with a prayer, because this is a difficult time, and we need God a lot. Means we need His help a lot. So you know, let's start praying. So actually, we had gone for fishing, and the footage you have seen before, like, was of fishing, and I couldn't shoot while fishing, because I'll just give you an example. Like, life is just like fishing, or fishing is just like life. Sometimes you get lucky, and sometimes you don't. Most of the times you don't. So we got only one fish. Still, I'm thankful to God, and I won't waste his or her life, and I'm gonna have some good fish today. See ya. So now I have come in Kawalising, and this is how my daily routine looks like. Like, morning I wake up, and then I have some breakfast. After having breakfast, I start writing some scripts, or start making some videos for my this channel, or I have another channel as well. So because I don't have a job right now. From last 4 months I am at home since the lockdown started, and from last 1 month I have not received my salary, and it's quite difficult actually. Expenses are increasing and income is nowhere. So, and it's very hard, difficult to get a job also this time, because due to this coronavirus and all, people are not taking much, companies are not accepting much people for work. They are making one person do work of at least for two people. Like cost cutting, we can say it's happening everywhere. So here I am in Kavalasim actually, and behind if you can see the shop. It is where my mom works, and she's the only one right now working, and I don't know how long this shop will be open. Actually, it's not open. It's just for cleaning purposes and all, to restock and all, and keep things in proper places. It's happening like that. So if you go to see in Goa, most of the income comes due to tourism, and as this corona thing is going on, tourism is done. So that's the reason I don't have a job, because I was working in a good resort, and in the previous footage you all have seen that all the shops, everything was closed. So it's a quite difficult time, but it's time, in Hindi people say वक्त है गुजर जाएगा. So hopefully ये भी गुजर जाए. Let's hope for the best, and let's see. 2020 came with a bang, saying, "Yo people, I'm here. Now save your ass." As soon as 2020 started, a war was about to take place. Bushfire, protest, flood, then this corona. Shit, man. Like nature is trying to say, every one of you taking me for granted, right? Now let me teach you all who is the boss. In a hard way. We got so lost in a busy life, that so-called rat race, we forgot to appreciate the small and important things in a life. Whenever I feel like I want to refresh myself, I come to beach, because here I feel calm, happy, and I feel peace. And everyone in this world wants to feel the same. We are just halfway in 2020, and there are a lot more surprises to come. But I hope God have a better plan for us. I know things are difficult, but we as humans will get the best out of this situation. For the end, I wanted to shoot a good sunset. But this is life. Thing doesn't go always as you want it to go.